What if I told you every breath you take could be as deadly as smoking a pack of cigarettes a day? Welcome to Delhi 2025, our national capital that has quietly turned into a gas chamber. As of 8th December 2025, the 24-hour average data from the Central Pollution Control Board shows Delhi Air Quality Index as 380. That's very poor. And in many places across the city, it was even worse, touching 350 to 360. But the real horror, on recent bad days, the air has crossed into severe level. On 11th November 2025, Delhi recorded an AQI of 428. Air so toxic, it's classified as hazardous for every single person regardless of age or health. These numbers aren't just data points, they are a silent killer, choking you every breath you take outside. The Air Quality Index is simply a scale to measure how polluted the air is. But the real villain hiding inside the scale is PM 2.5. Fine particulate matter smaller than 2.5 micrometer. These particles are 30 times thinner than human air, invisible to your eyes, but powerful enough to travel deep into your lungs and even enter your bloodstream. The result: lung damage, respiratory infection, heart stress, chronic diseases, and long-term exposure can cut years of your life expectancy. Why does Delhi keep choking? Delhi turns into a gas chamber every winter because all the pollution factors align like a perfect storm. Every day, millions of petrol and diesel vehicles releases toxic fumes into the air. At the same time, stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana sends massive plumes of smoke drifting straight towards Delhi. Smoke doesn't respect state boundary. Added to that, constant emission from factories and the endless construction dust always hanging in the air. The winter arrives and makes everything dramatically worse. Cold, heavy air sinks lower, wind speed drops, and the pollutants that usually disperse simply settle down the ground. And Delhi's unique wall-shaped geography traps all the smoke inside the city like a lid on a pot. Together, the cold fog, slow wind, and trapped pollutants creates a thick poisonous blanket that refuses to lift, turning Delhi into one of the most polluted capital in the world. Government efforts to fight increasing AQI is not enough. Spraying water cannot solve a crisis this big. Temporary fixes won't clean a city that's being poisoned daily. Beijing, a city in China, was once more polluted than Delhi, but between 2013 and 2020, it reduced PM 2.5 level by 35%. How? By treating pollution like a public health emergency, not a winter inconvenience. China shut down old industries, switched from coal to cleaner fuels, electrified transport, and enforced strict monitoring 24/7. They fought pollution with seriousness, discipline, and long-term planning. India, on the other hand, reacts only during smoke season. Every winter, the same drama repeats: ban, restriction, emergency meeting, but no deep structural changes. If Delhi truly wants to breathe again, it needs political unity, year-round planning, and the same determination Beijing showed. Because right now in 2025, every breath in Delhi counts, and every breath is costing us something.